In this lecture, we're going to import assets for the game we're developing. The main focus of this course will be programming. There's not enough time to discuss other areas of game development, such as modeling, music composition, or animation. To save time, I've prepared a set of assets for developing our game. None of the files I provided have code. All code will be written by us. The game assets will be downloaded from the resource section of this lecture. You'll find a zip file. Unzip the contents anywhere on your system. A single file can be found called Game Assets. Unity is capable of importing and exporting assets. Before importing this asset, let me show you the export process. At the top of the menu, navigate to Assets, Export Package. A window appears with a list of files that can be exported from our project. After selecting your files, you can click the Export button to produce a Unity package file. This is how I created the asset files for this project. Now that we have an overview of the export process, let's import the assets I provided for this project. Importing assets is as simple as dragging the file onto the Assets folder. After a few moments, Unity opens a window with a complete list of files in the bundle. As you can see, there are dozens of files. Don't worry, we'll get an opportunity to explore them. By default, all files should be selected. Just in case, you can press the All button to force Unity to select all files. After selecting the files, let's click Import. In a few seconds, a new folder will appear in our project called Game Assets. During the process, you may have received a warning. If we switch to the console window, the warning states there was an identifier violation. This warning can be safely ignored. As long as the files get imported, you're good to go. Let's go back to the project window. Taking a peek inside the new folder, you'll find various files, from audio files to 3D models. Feel free to explore the files. Throughout the course, we're going to reference the files from this directory. Most of these files can be found online. The GameDev community is very giving. Finding free assets online is easy. If you're curious about where I got these assets, check out the credits.txt file. It'll contain links to various resources for finding free assets. In the next lecture, let's begin designing our first level.